because of responsibility. You know, fatherhood does not justify to be a good partner. Diba? You know, if you're a good father, that doesn't make that, diba, doesn't mean na ikaw ay isang mabuting asawa. And right now, he's not even hindi nga siya mabuting ama ngayon eh. Isang banda, gusto kong maintindihan mo to Kasi 3 na anak mo, diba? Hindi kaya sa isang banda, which napakakainis ng dahilan to. Hindi kaya sa isang banda, pwede natin sabihin na hindi kaya he is trying to convince himself that starting today, may obligasyon na siya and he's taking his time. But you know, nakakainis na part, 9 na buwan ka nagbuntis. He could have taken the time.
He was with me when I was pregnant po.
What went wrong?
We were together nung
were you happy?
Ako. Nung buntis ako, yeah, we were. Masaya po.
What happened?
Not sobrang saya, ha? Enough saya naman eh. And may arguments in between, na nandoon pa rin yung sabi niya, ba't daw ako nagbuntis? Kasi initially, to be honest, gusto niya po ipa-abort yung baby. I was the one who stood na sabi ko, hindi ko gagawin.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I admire you.
He had given me money na para sabi niya, gawin ko yun.
Dumating sa puntong binigyan kanya ng pera?
Yeah, because I told him I wouldn't spend for that. Sabi ko niya, very bad nga po, diba? Sabi ko, naku, hindi ako gagastos sa ganyan. Kumbaga, nagrason po ako ng ganon. So he said, okay, I'll give you what you need. Gawin mo yan. Pero talagang sabi ko, hindi ko gagawin dahil hindi ko kayang dalhin sa konsensya ko yan for all my life.
May nag-text. Si Miss Ay de las Alas. Ang arty naman yan.
Kanon.
Hello, Miss Ay de las Alas. Good evening po sa inyo. Salamat sa pakikinig. Anyway, Edna, ganito. I just want to know what you want to ask. Kasi, honestly, I'll be biased answering your question. Kukunin ko yung sagot from a guy's perspective. Kasi that will be fair sa'yo. Okay lang ba?
Okay, sure.
Kasi yung tanong mo sa akin, bias na di ba? Pabalik pa kaya siya? Tinatanong mo kasi bilang lalaki ako, di ba? Not because I'm Papa Jack, but because I'm a lalaki, tama? So, what's the question? Yun lang ba yung tanong mo sa akin?
Yun, kung may pag-asa pa ba siyang magbago?
Kung pag-asa, of course. Hindi na walang pag-asa. Di ba? Kahit sa mga politiko natin. Tanong kailan? Diba?
Kailan?
Kailan kaya sa magbabago? Edna, kung nakikinig siya ngayon, what do you wanna tell him? If he can hear this out, if I can give you a copy of what's happening tonight, anong gusto mo sabihin sa kanya? What's the first name?
Dennis?
Anong tawagan niyo?
Han? Han po.
Anong gusto mo sabihin sa kanya?
Sa totoo lang po, sir, wala akong gusto sabihin sa kanya.
Meron.
Nasabi ko na po lahat sa kanya.
And I wanna hear it.
Sabihin.
I wanna hear it.
Naku po, bawal magmura. Kaya sabi niya, kaya...
So what?
Hindi.
I mean, ano yung gusto mong sabihin sa kanya? What's really inside you?
Anger?
If I'm going to take away all the angers and the pains.
Anger and the pain, I'll take away all the anger and the pain. What would happen? Hindi ko po ma-imagine.
Okay, nahihirapan ka.
Siguro, if you take the anger and the pain, gusto ko lang sabihin sa kanya, sana you'll be a good father to your daughter. Ganun lang.
So, ikaw mismo, you're giving up on him?
Yun na nga po parang ayaw ko na po.
Answer my question. Yes or no?
It's like 80% I'm giving up on him.
No, Edna, there's no such thing as 80%. Maniwala ka.
Kasi may
if it's a yes, it's a yes. If it's a no, it's a no.
Kasi mga kaibigan ko po, sabi nila, give him a chance. Magbabago yan. Yung mga ganun.
No, Ed, I'm asking you. This is not about your friends telling you something. This is about you. Kung tonight, kakatok sa pintuan mo yan.
No.
That's a no. So why are you asking me tonight? Kung nabuo na sa utak.
Perspective.
Okay. You just wanna point out how jerk we can be.
No, it's not that. Oh, grabe, yung ex-husband ko po mabait naman.
Okay, kaya pala naghiwalay kayo. Sino salbahe, ikaw?
I was the one. Inaamin ko naman, ako po yung salbahe. Naging salbahe ako.
Hindi kaya karma to, Edna?
I had my karma long back pa po.
You can never tell kung karma mo na yon.
It was a karma. I knew it. Sobra po yun. Ang bilis nga ng karma eh.
You're very sure of yourself.
Not of all the things naman. Kaya lang, alam mo naman po yun kung nakakarma ka o hindi, ano.
Okay.
Oo.
Alright. Okay, ganito, Edna, First of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
For choosing to be a mom. Congratulations.
You.
For the fourth time, pinili yung maging nanay at nakakatuwang bagay yan.
Ay, salamat po.
I know, kaya mo itong i-handle. You can go on in life. Kasi nagawa mo na to 3 times before. So, yung pang-apat, caring-caring na yan, di ba?
Caring-caring na po. Ang ano ko lang po kasi, baka pag bumalik na kami doon and he will come back and ask for forgiveness, sabi niya na ganito, ganon. I don't know kung pagbibigyan ko siya or hindi.
You said no tonight.
Yeah, I said no tonight. And kaya nga po, I'm asking you, sa tingin niyo po ba, you as a guy, magbabago pa ba siya?
Girl or guy, magbabago, ate.
Okay.
Alam mo, tinatansya kita, Edna. And until now, nararamdaman ko na you want the guy to be a part of your life. Not get me wrong. Alright? You want the guy to be a part of your life.
You want the guy
because you feel magical about him. Not because you're crazy over... Stop. Not because you're crazy over him. You want the guy to be a part of your life because he's the father of your kid.
Opo.
Oh my God, that's very wrong. It's not compulsory to be with someone.
No, it's not that. I think, nandoon pa rin naman siguro po ang pagmamahal kahit papano. Nandoon pa rin. Kaya lang siguro...
That's very wrong. Yung kahit papano. Why be with someone kung mahal mo lang yung tao kahit papano?
Kasi kahit papano at the moment.
Di ba, Edna? When you want to be with someone, you want to be with someone wholeheartedly?
Yeah, kasi siguro mo...
That you would take a bullet for that someone.
I would.
Diba? Na kung bukas ang katapusan ng mundo, diba, ititigil mo lahat ng gagawin mo just to be with this person.
Correct ka dyan.
And he's not that guy for you.
He's not worth it. That's the point.
I don't see the point of you asking me this. If you were telling me na he's not worth it.
Kasi nga po, yun nga po ang tinatanong ko, magbabago pa po siya. Kayo po, as a guy, magbabago pa po bo
There's something wrong with the question, Edna. That's what I'm trying to tell you. You know what's wrong? Because loving someone is unconditional. And you asking me that question is telling me na may kondisyon ka para mahalin mo siya.
Kung sila ba person naman po, na kung ganun naman ang ugali.
A good heart would always know a good heart. Sometimes you can teach a guy, kahit sino, babae, lalaki. Diba? If you purely believe that this person would change without asking this person, and you don't believe in him, you doubt him. I don't know gaano kalaking kasalanan na nagawa niya sa'yo para maging ganyan ka sa kanya. But what's the point of being with him if you don't believe him?
Tama po.
You will love the guy unconditionally. And I do not feel that you're crazy over him. You miss the guy? Honestly.
Sometimes I do.
Tonight,
yeah.
Okay. Yes or no? You miss the guy?
I'm not thinking about that po.
I'm asking you now. You can go ahead and think of it.
Okay. Yes.
You miss the guy?
Since you're asking.
Okay. You miss the guy. That's a yes. Dahil tinanong ko sa'yo, so I made you, di ba? Ni-remind mo ako eh.
Oh, yeah.
Ganun, di ba? So, oo nga, na-miss ko siya. He's not constantly in your mind. And in your heart. Tama, mali?
Tama po.
Okay. Kung mamaya lalamig masyado, do you wanna have sex with him?
No.
Why? What if tonight? Okay, mga kaibigan, this is a very radical question.
Alright.
But bear with me. Tonight, he will tell you, Edna, I wanna make love with you, and after that, pupunasan ko sa sarili ko, I'll leave.
No!
Just make love.
No!
So what's the point of asking me this?
Kasi yung point ko.
My point is, ang point ko dito, sorry if I'm furious, I hope you don't mind.
No, sige po.
Ang point ko dito is, you don't want any piece of the guy, alright?
Kasi
and
alam
you
mo,
ask
I
me,
don't believe in him na magbabago siya.
That's the point. And you ask me, Papa Jack, kung babalik ba siya, o magbabago ba siya, anong gagawin ko? Parang ganun tanong mo, di ba? And if I tell you yes, wala ka naman palang gusto sa kanya. What's the point? Can you tell me?
No.
Can you make sense of this conversation right now?
Sige po Since you were asking me earlier, would I want to make love with him? Of course not. You know why? Because I'm mad at him. Extremely. Oh, galit na galit po ako sa kanya. That's why I don't want to make love with him. But it doesn't mean na wala na po yung pagmamahal doon. Pero yung galit nandoon. That's why I don't want to make love with him.
Oh my God, Edna. You're the first person sa programang ito who defined love the way you just did. Nakakadiri.
Why? How would you make love with somebody na inis ka?
If I love someone, kahit may ginawa siya kasalanan sa akin, after not seeing that person for a while, unconditionally I'd make love with this person. I'm not kidding. Because I love the person. And I don't care. I have faith in him, in her. I don't care.
Is that from a guy's point of view?
No. I am being fair right now. Because that's fair. Because
halimbawa, isang babae, galit siya sa lalaking to. Fresh pa. Kumbaga, yung mga nangyari, it's not sabi mo a year ago. Sabi na natin, it's just like a month or two pa lang ang nakakalipas. So yung anger nandoon pa. So how could you, if a guy would come to your door and not sabi niya,
I completely respect you as a woman, as a mother, as a girl. I do. But you're not getting my point here.
I think I don't.
Tinatanong mo ako, yeah, we're not the same page. Okay, appear muna tayo. Tinatanong mo ako, Edna, di ba? Eh, pag-asa siyang magbago, if I tell you yes, halimbawa naniwala ka sa akin na yes, Edna, magbabago siya, which is true. Lahat ng tao nagbabago. Tama, mali. Tama, mali. Everything, di ba, everyone change?
Hindi ko po alam kung mag-agree ako dyan.
That's wrong! That's wrong with this conversation. Kung siya mismo hindi ka naniniwala, kung siya mismo hindi ka naniniwala, that's the point! Kung siya mismo hindi ka naniniwala magbago siya, bakit mo tinatanong sa akin? If you don't want him back in your life, diba? Why make me feel, diba, na tinatanong mo ako just because you want a piece of him?
No, I'm asking you nga, kasi as a guy po, ano ba sa tingin nyo? Kayo bilang lalaki, it's not na para i-confirm or anything na, alam nyo po yun, ang tinatanong ko lang, kayo bilang lalaki, kung baga kung may kakilala man kayo, or kayo nasa sitwasyon na yon, sa tingin nyo ba magbabago pa yon? Magbabago pa bang taong yon?
Edna, I'm trying to answer your question in general, because I am not him.
Yun na nga po.
So let me ask you now. Kung magbabago siya, halimbawa lang, what will you do?
Magbabago siya?
What will you do?
Kung magbabago siya and then he wants us back, I will take him.
You just said no kanina.
Kung magbabago nga po siya.
So you love the guy conditionally?
Alam nga naman po, you will love somebody who keeps on hurting you. Love is not about being nagpapakamartir ka kahit sinasaktan ka na, minamahal mo pa rin.
Sacrifice,
right.
Sacrifice is the only language of love.
That's crazy.
You are not in love.
I've been in love.
You are not supposed to be.
I love him talaga. Kaya lang, I think a person should learn to love herself or himself muna bago ibang tao. Kasi how could you love other people if you could not even love yourself? Pag dinidisrespect ka na ng taong to, you would still continue loving him unconditionally. Sorry po pero I don't agree with that.
Ask me again. Ask me.
Ask you what?
Ask me again. What you just said. What you just asked. If that person is hurting you, would you love that person unconditionally?
If he's hurting me and he's
ask me.
No.
Ask me.
No. Would you love a woman who disrespects you?
Yes.
Kahit sinasaktan na kayo at ginagago kayo, would you still love her and take her back?
Yes.
Naku, winner na winner po kayo.
You know why?
Why?
Because if you have faith with someone you love, you know, trust is nothing. Faith is everything. That you have this spark inside of you, deep inside of you, that you know how many foolishness na gagawin ng lalaking to, tong taong to. He's home with you. She's home with you. And you don't have that. You just don't have it.
Naku po, kasi I think love is a two-way.